Welcome everyone to Carol's Art Room. I've got a large 10 by 10, I guess it's a 10-inch round. And I'm going to do a pansy inspired bloom with my hair dryer. This is color to go. A mist tint. I have some pretty pansies in my flower pot, and I thought, oh, those are gorgeous. Let's see what I can do. And I have some goobers in there. It's amazing where these things come from. They come from the paint can. Look at that. Oh. That's good. All right. Break some of these bubbles. All right. So I have got, where did all my colors go? Oh, purple. Dioxazine purple. I have a lavender purple by Arteza. I've got some lemon sunrise yellow by Meaden. I'm going to do green on the top to make it go around the outside. Got some bright yellow, cad yellow. And I got some Meaden orange. So let's see what we can get. I think I'm going to put the light yellow in the middle, because it's opaque anyway. It probably won't look like a pansy, but the colors will be like that. I've got yellow and purple ones and orange and purple ones, and they're very pretty. Some dioxazine purple on top. Oh, that looks nice. Just trying to decide which one to put on the top. I'm going to put the light purple on the top now. I'll put some of this dark yellow. And then some orange. Some lavender. And a little green to top it off. This is leaf green by Artist Loft. That was lavender purple by Arteza. this works. Black cell activator. Cool, low. Well, it's very dark. Oh, I didn't want it to be so dark. Pretty. Colors are very, very rich. I think that dark green. It's too much, maybe. But it might look different when it's blown out or spun out. I'm going to give it a chance. Very cool. See if this middle will. Well, it's all moving. Let's do some frilly petals. If I try a pansy one again, I think I might use a lighter green and Maybe a white cell activator or a white and black. Or maybe just use 2 yellows. Anyway, let's see what we get. I'm going to spin her. Look at those 2 big cells in the middle. If you notice, if I use my color to go, I don't seem to get a lot of that white cells from the underneath. But when I use color to, or my Glidden Premium has Glidden Essentials in it, I get it more. Maybe I don't like that green in there. Maybe I should have left the green out. Like for a pansy, I mean, but it does look pretty on the outside. It's very colorful. I don't know how much negative space I'm going to get. Ooh. Wow. There's a lot of paint left in there. It looks cool running down the side. I'd like to leave it just like that. I just hope the middle doesn't move. Okay, I think that's it. See, now I love it. Wasn't sure at the beginning, but you just have to give it some time, spin it out, and see what you get. May not look like a pansy, but it's pretty. Well, thanks for watching again, and come back to Carole's Art Room. Please give me a thumbs up, comment below. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Thank you. Dry result will be at the end. Hi everyone. Well, this one turned out so much prettier than I was thinking at the beginning. It dried really nice. And I do like it. Look at those pretty yellow cells. I'll take you in for a close-up. There's the green and the orange. Some gold, purple. That's very cool. I love it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.